big announcement that Ryan Seacrest, Keith Urban, Miley Cyrus. You already gave a little bit of it away.
I know, I messed up.
No, you didn't mess up.
I told Ryan I never spilled the beans, and there I did it.
Right here.
So.
But Ryan, so what is it? What's the big lineup on the iHeartRadio?
All right, so we're going to share the big announcement here, but I will tell you, if you're watching at home, you want to book your rooms, make arrangements to be in Las Vegas September 20th and 21st.
Yep.
Everybody from all walks of life will be there, all different radio formats and genres of music. And Keith, do you want to start with some of the big names that will be on that stage?
Should I read all of these or just a couple?
No. I think you should deliver them all.
All of them?
Yeah, I think
We're
we
not
need
doing this stuff.
We should mix it up a bit.
Because we don't know how to read.
All right, whatever you don't want to fill in, Ryan or I will fill in. How's
Well,
that?
you got to check this out. This is crazy, right? Justin Timberlake,
Right?
Katy Perry, Elton John, Tim McGraw, hey Tim, Queen and Adam Lambert,
Yeah.
Bruno Mars and Maroon 5.
Plus,
And I'll be there.
Plus,
I'll be there.
Keith Urban.
You're in.
Yes.
You're in.
We
Miley,
always
there's
forget
even
to plug
more.
ourselves. And there's daytime, which
Okay.
there hasn't been before. There's a daytime
Village.
stage.
So
a
there's
village.
music during the day and music at night.
Friday night, Saturday day, Saturday night, recover Sunday, maybe go to work Monday or Tuesday.
Maybe.
All right,
Wednesday.
maybe.
I'm
All
glad
right,
that
so
Wednesday.
who's on the day side?
So me, so
Yeah.
that's my special announcement.
Awesome.
So all my fans are gonna go
Miley
crazy on
Cyrus
Twitter.
on the day side.
The Wanted.
All right.
Jason Derulo.
Yep.
The Band Perry.
Wow.
Avril Lavigne.
Okay.
Cruella.
Okay, this is really
Cher
good.
Lloyd.
Yeah.
21 Pilots. Pete Tong and
Right.
AWOL Nation, and a special guest, which is Neo, which is gonna be dope. I'm excited to see him.
All right,
But
now
wait,
what is it?
no, wait, there's more.
No, wait,
There's more.
Ryan, there
There's
can't
more.
be,
There are
because
more.
it's just 3 days.
Honestly,
There's time
more.
for any more.
Right there.
There really are. I'll do it quickly, and
Okay.
I couldn't do by memory either. There's so many. He said Justin, Katie, Elton, Tim, Queen, Adam Lambert, Bruno Mars, Maroon 5, J. Cole, Muse, Tiesto, Chris Brown, You, Fun, Miguel, Phoenix, Zed, Kesha, 30 Seconds to Mars, Benny Benassi. One event,
You
pushing the
weren't
limits of
kidding.
music.
There's too many to read.
Oh, you ought to
We
see who's
like-
on the A
We
stage.
tried to memorize. We couldn't memorize it.
Oh my God. So this is, you can't be anyplace else but this.
Yeah,
So
you
give us
got
the
that.
dates one more time so that we all know where it is.
September 20th and 21st, Las Vegas, MGM Grand. Book it now.
Yeah, book
it
those,
now.
book
We'll be
those
there.
tickets, book all of that. Now, you guys, you've made the morning insane around here. So thank you so much for
We
showing
love
up
New
with
York.
us. We appreciate you being here.